let me show you how to actually connect a Samsung Galaxy A07 to a Wi-Fi network. To do this is what you're going to do. One, head to the settings. Okay, head to the settings of the Samsung Galaxy A07. Okay, now when you go to the settings, you're going to go to connections, right? Then first of all, access the Wi-Fi option right here. You can actually tap right here and then turn it on. So you have to actually turn on Wi-Fi. Now the available networks, Wi-Fi networks actually are going to be shown right here. So now you're going to select the one you actually want to connect to. I'm going to go with this first one, Dalba. Tap the Wi-Fi network. Now they're actually going to ask you to input the password. So input the password of the Wi-Fi. If it's not password protected, it might connect automatically, So, but for this one, try input the password and then tap on connect. So when you tap on connect and the password is correct, Samsung Galaxy A07 is now connected to the Dalba network. That's the Wi-Fi. And that is how you connect the Samsung Galaxy A07 to a Wi-Fi network. Subscribe if you pick one in the video.